Guys, do you also think like you're an entrepreneur? If yes, then why aren't you beast? In this video, I'm going to cover down few tips, few ways to actually turn yourself into a beast that can, help you achieve your goals way faster than you are currently doing, right? So it's going to be a video about how you can achieve your goals and like more quicker and faster way, which will help you to actually start living a life with all your dreams possible in, right? So if you consider yourself to be an entrepreneur, then definitely I can understand you, like where you are coming from. Like it could be like a lot of rejections, not a good financial background, or let's say no one used to accept you as who you were before, or maybe something related to your fitness. It all comes down to rejection. So as entrepreneurs, guys, like in the past we have experienced something we shouldn't have, right? But God made it us, actually experience it, and that actually helped us to like level up in our life, right? Just think about it. Like if that girl never rejected you, if that friend of yours never, belittled you, or let's say like you look so fat, you're obese, or let's say in your family, let's say if no one actually insulted you, you cannot do anything with your life. Just think about it. Like, will you be currently here wherever you are in your life today, right? So rejections is a part of life. It's inevitable. Everyone is going to be rejected, and it's a process. It's going to keep happening again and again over the time, right? Maybe later down the line you'll get rejected again, right? So what this rejection will actually do is it will help you, level up your life. So first of all, guys, I know this might sound a little cliche, but you should only focus on what you feel like doing. If it's fitness, get into fitness, become a coach. If it's playing cricket, football, basketball, if it's sports, get into it, right? So I know like passion and success, like some people say it's very closely related. Like you gotta follow a passion, right? But the thing is, like I might contradict myself here, but what I feel like is if you follow your passion, it might take you some time to actually reach down to your goal. Like let's say you are very passionate about playing guitar and you gotta be like a guitarist or whatever it is, right? You gotta be an artist. So it will take you a lot of time to reach that level. On the other hand, let's say if you do some things which you don't like, right, and which you don't have any interest for, that's what Grant Cardone says, right? You gotta do things which you have literally zero interest in because it has money. I know like playing guitar gets you a lot of money, but it takes time. Starting a business, like it can make you money in less than a year. That's the fastest way to start earning something, right? So there are two type of people who follow their passion, and the second one is who want money, who want to make money as quickly as possible. So my POV here, if you're either one of them, I would definitely suggest you get the money fast. Once you have some kind of cash lying down in your bank account, you can do anything you want. If you want to be a guitarist, if you want to be an artist, hire a professional coach who will teach you how to play guitar, and you will be start playing guitar in like less than 2-3 months. That's the power of money. So my POV, my perspective here is get the money first, fill up the bag first, and then start chasing your passions down, right? Okay, now I've told you gotta chase the money first, right? How are you going to chase the money if you don't have a clue to how to get the money out, right? Guys, we are living in an age where making money is easier than doing anything else in life. Making money is easier than losing weight in this very scenario we are living in, to be honest, right? I'm not sure where I'm coming with these kind of examples, but it is easier than losing your body fat and your weight and gaining muscles on the other hand. So if you're someone who wanna chase the money first, then chase their passion, you gotta go out there, make a list of businesses, right? Obviously I'm not going to like list a lot of businesses in this video because this video is not for that. What I'm going to do is I'm just going to tell you like what things you got to make sure of in order to find a good business. My business, what I'm pursuing is marketing agency. I got into this agency space in 2019, maybe end of the year. After that, this agency thing got into the air. It becomes so popular, like every single teenager out there started doing it, and this like few of them also started making money, right? So if you think if it's about luck and destiny, then you should don't pursue it. Like any kind of business, it's about putting the work in and reaping the rewards after some point of time, after some delay. Any business you start, you gotta put in the work first without seeing any desired result. 6 months later down the line, after a year later down the line, you will start seeing some kind of like rewards, some kind of like compounding effect will play its role, and you will get some kind of, maybe you will start reaping the rewards out of it. It's going to take some time, and it's with every business out there. Let it be marketing agency, getting those first few organic sales on drop shipping store, or let's say affiliate marketing, domain flipping, whatever it is, right? So my point is, in order to chase that money, you should know which business you should be getting into, and for that you gotta research. Research is so important in any business. You just cannot skip that part. If you're skipping that part, be ready to fail miserably, right? Okay guys, the third point which I'm about to share with you, it's about implementation, execution, taking action, right? If you scroll down to the very last video of my channel, you will see me preaching taking action on daily basis. If you scroll down right now, go to my channel, scroll down to the very first upload I did on my channel, you will see me talking about accentuating, exaggerating about taking action. Why? Because in my life, what made a big difference, what actually leveled up my life, is taking small pieces of action on daily basis, which compounded over time and just drastically like improved my life in a positive way. It really impacted my life in a positive way. Money actually loves speed. You have heard this quote, right? You shouldn't even think about, what should I do with my day? You should have things listed out, like at this time I'll be doing this, at this time I'll be doing this. I'm not saying you shouldn't give time to yourself, your family, whatever, but you should be so busy you don't have time to check your phone. Maybe with these kind of activities, shooting videos for clients, making video tutorials, giving free value to a client, anything, right? Like doing something which can help you get that first few dollars in your bank account. You should be that much busy, and taking action and being busy, it's very closely related. When you'll be busy, you'll never ruminate, you will never overthink, right? So I'm not saying like I'll not use Instagram, I'll use, but very less, very rarely, right? So that's my point. I was talking about action and being busy. Take so much action every single day, like you feel a little burnout. I know you might not be expecting this, like why this guy is saying for me to like burn out myself. I'm saying to a level where you feel like, yes, I've done a lot for the day, let's go to the bed, and you just sleep without even looking at your phone. You should be so much, tired for the day, right? That's what I'm saying. There used to be days, guys, I never used to, had my dinner at night. I used to just work, take calls, send contracts, and it used to feel so good, like good dopamine release. Taking calls, sending out contracts, raising invoices, getting paid, it was amazing dopamine release, right? And after that, having dinner, it was like the best thing. Like after doing so much work and having dinner, the dinner used to feel so good, so like delicious, I cannot tell. And then going to the bed, it was just an amazing feeling, right? So you gotta feel like you have earned it for the day. If you feel like you have earned it for the day, guys, you will feel more good, much better than before, right? There's this 3-second rule. Whenever you set an alarm, let's say you have set an alarm for, let's say, in the morning 6 a.m. So the alarm started buzzing, and now instead of like waking up, you're just snoozing it, right? So obviously that's just procrastination, right? So as soon as you just wake up, there's 3-second rule. You have 3 seconds to either just wake up or sleep again. When I used to like go to the gym in the morning, I used to use this 3-second rule. I used to be I just have 3 seconds. Either I'll just wake myself up, like forcefully, just get out of the bed, right? And I'll be ready for the gym. If I just keep myself sleeping, snoozing the alarm off, or let's say procrastinating it, I never used to go to the gym. So you always follow this 3-second rule. If you want to outreach, get in front of a desktop. If you want to start a business, start researching. In less than 3 seconds, get in front of your desktop and laptop, start researching about it, right? The fourth one is learn as you go. Learn as much possibly you can, right? Obviously it's a human brain, it can learn a lot of things, but it's not in pressure on you to just learn everything from all the different industry. You got to learn those things which makes you feel like a little tempted about things. And when I'm saying things, like it could be marketing, it could be sales. If you're interested in psychology, read about it, learn more about it. It should be enticing for your brain. If your brain thinks this is boring, you will barely find any interest in those things, right? So do and learn those things which is kind of a little tempting, a little enticing for you to read. Right now I'm reading a book and it's kind of enticing for me, and I don't feel myself getting bored out of it, and that's why I'm just continuing reading it, right? Give some time to yourself to grow. You've just started this business, you've just started losing weight, you've just started dieting, you've just started creating videos. It's going to take time to get subscribers, it's going to take time to lose weight, it's going to take time to like make your first few bucks, it's going to take some time to like gain some muscles up. Anything out there, it takes time. It's going to take time to build good relationships with people. If you think you can build a solid relationship with your partner in like less than 6 months, yeah, that's not a relationship, guys, right? Everything in life takes time. Just list down anything, it takes time. You cannot just lose weight and like over a night. Not happening. It cannot happen, guys, you know. So you have to just tell your mind it's going to take time, but I'll get there, right? I know you do consider yourself as an entrepreneur, but why not be a beast, right? So I hope you did got some value out of this video. If you did, don't forget to subscribe and also like the video and drop a feedback. What do you think about videos like these? Do you really like consider my viewpoints, my POV? What do you think about like what I tell you guys, right? And also, guys, don't forget to follow me on Instagram. Anyways, guys, that's pretty much it. I'll be back with more videos very soon, and don't forget to take action. Bye.